Can you use iCloud without Wi-Fi? Or how to back up iPhone without Wi-Fi or WLAN? It wouldn't be that hard actually. Optionally, we can back up iPhone with cellular data or a USB cable, aside from doing this with Wi-Fi. In the following, we will detail 3 options for your reference. Option 1. How to back up iPhone without Wi-Fi via Assistant for iOS. Any idea on how to back up iPhone on a computer without Wi-Fi in a flexible way? Mobikin Assistant for iOS can make it come true. As a top-notch iOS assistant, this program can protect both the current iOS data and original backups. How to back up iPhone to computer without Wi-Fi using Assistant for iOS. Step 1. Run the program and link your iPhone to a computer. Step 2. Preview and mark the iPhone data for backup. Step 3. Start to back up iPhone data to computer. This utility also helps to bulk backup iPhone to iTunes. To achieve this, click Super Toolkit from the program interface. Tap iTunes Backup and Restore. Then select Backup. Select a device to back up and pick a location to save the items. Finally, tap OK to commence. Option 2. How to back up iPhone to iCloud without Wi-Fi via iCloud Drive. Enable iCloud Drive in iPhone settings. iCloud. Toggle Show on home screen and use cellular data. If not enabled before, download from App Store. Open, select Files for backup. Option 3. How to back up iPhone without Wi-Fi using iTunes. Connect iPhone to computer. Open iTunes. Click phone icon. Go to Summary Backup now for manual backup. Alternatively, choose This computer in Automatically Backup to create local backup on connection.